Guys, it's Fran's fresh start in Chiang Mai, and I'm about to embark my journey to Danang, Vietnam. I've just reached the train station, and the way to order a ticket is online, and then you need to print out your order, and then you need to come to this hotel, which is right across the train station. It's called Boss Hotel. If you can see, it's called Boss Hotel. It's right across the street from the train station. And from there, you get your ticket and you arrive to the Chiang Mai railway station. This is where you need to be. And you can get yourself third class, second class, first class. The first class is not always available. I wanted to get a first class, but there was only second class available. So that's the ticket I got. And I am going to be entering to the train at the track number 4, platform number 4. So this is the train station. And as soon as I enter the train, I'll update you and let you know how it looks inside. So stay tuned. Okay guys, I just entered the train. Yeah, this is apparently the second class, I guess. And you can actually take this thing above here. You can take it off. Let me show you around. So this is the second class, which means you have no privacy. And I guess you can take this thing down. The attendants can bring it down. Oh, there is a bit of privacy here because there's a curtain. I can see a curtain. So if you put this curtain, yeah, you can take this curtain down and then you'll have privacy. And you can sleep up there in the bunker. You have a curtain here also. I just put my stuff here. I don't know where to put the baggage. So oh, there's a place for a baggage up there. I guess you can put the baggage up there, but I cannot carry it. Maybe I can. I'm gonna see what I can do. So basically, this is the second class train. Apparently, there is a place where you can basically clean yourself. There's a toilet. There's a toilet here and here. Let's take a look. This is how it looks. Let's see what's in here. There is a place where you can order food, I guess. This is the restaurant. Apparently. You can get yourself some potato chips, beer, and they have a food. Consider this. Okay, another thing you need to know if you decide to take the train is bring food. I didn't know that there's no place to buy food inside the train. They have something, but as I told you, the guy was extremely rude, and he was overpricing. So what I would recommend is before you come the train, bring your own drinks and food, because toilet there is. So just bring your own food. That's gonna make your trip at ease, and no need to encounter unnecessarily unpleasantness with the unfriendly staff here. Okay, so that's my experience so far. Okay, the rude guy just set the bed. It's so cold here in the train. I had to wear a sweater and long pants because I would say the temperature inside the train is about 10 degrees. I feel like I'm inside the refrigerator. That's how cold it is. And I'm in the upper level. So as you can see, I have curtain beside me, and let me show you. I had to put all my hand and carry stuff here, edge of the bed, and here's my pillow, and I'm just gonna cramp myself here and try to sleep for at least 5 hours, 6 hours or something. We should be arriving in the morning. So earlier I bought some fried rice. So here is what I'm eating right now. Fried rice with egg. And that's it. So good night everyone, and see you in the morning in Bangkok. Hi guys, I just arrived in Danang and it's evening. So yeah, so it's my first night here and so far so good. And so what and see.